This is the Olaplex No. 6, which is a leave-in styling treatment. It strengthens your hair, reduces frizz, and up to 72 hours. How awesome is that? And you just use the pump, and half a pump is all you need, just like that. And you use it on damp hair. So you just put it through halfway and through the ends. And then you wait a little bit, and then you start brushing your hair. And it smells so fantastic. I absolutely love the smell. Now you just start brushing your hair just like that. And they say to use half a pump, but if you have longer and thicker hair, you can use a little bit more or less. It's up to you. And it's always best to use less and build up to it, right? Look at that. Look at that shine. So I like using it. It also kind of helps detangle your hair too. And there you go. This is the Olaplex No. 6, and definitely recommend it. My friend recommended it to me, and now I'm recommending it to you. So thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.